Well, good morning, everybody. Here, Troy's Hobbies. It has a travel silicone that protects the power cord connection. Dried beef stroganoff, and it uses 6 ounces. That's 12 ounces. I'm gonna take out 6 ounces. I believe that's it. It's hot, but I can still hold it. See that boiling? There you go. Ah, hot, hot, hot. That's hot, folks. 350 watts, took about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and dump it out. See if it's edible. Not the prettiest thing in the world. But if you're out hiking or camping, there you go. Looks much better. There it is. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe.